Everyone thinks they know Taylor Swift. But what if I told you there are secrets, hidden Easter eggs, secret projects, and backstage truths that even the biggest fans don't know? Today, we're unlocking Taylor's most shocking secrets, and trust me, number 3 will blow your mind. So stay with me, because this is going to change the way you see Taylor forever. But what if I told you there are secrets about Taylor that even die-hard fans might have missed? Today, we're diving deep into the hidden side of Taylor. Swift's life things tucked behind her lyrics, secret codes in her videos, personal quirks that no one saw coming. And trust me, what we reveal later might shock you. So buckle up, because this isn't just a story, it's a mystery waiting to unfold. One of Taylor's most fascinating secrets? Her legendary Easter eggs. These are the hidden clues she sprinkles in album announcements, music videos, to visuals, even Instagram captions. Fans decode them like detectives on a treasure hunt. Take this for example when Taylor announced her upcoming album, The Life of a Showgirl. She used a very specific time 12-12 and in her reveal video. There were 3 uniquely colored TS signs, white, orange, and red. Fans immediately started speculating about multiple album versions or connected projects. And guess what? This is just the surface. Easter eggs aren't just fun, they create a suspense-filled puzzle that keeps fans glued, wondering, what's the next big reveal? Here's a secret hardly anyone saw coming. Taylor's 8th studio album. Folklore was made in complete secrecy. No leaks, no rumors, nothing. While the world was in lockdown, Taylor was quietly writing and recording an entire album with just a handful of trusted collaborators. Even her label didn't know at first. When the music video for Cardigan was shot, Taylor wore an earpiece for lip-syncing because there were no playback speakers allowed. Everything was hush-hush, like a classified mission. And then boom! She dropped it out of nowhere, shocking the entire music industry. If that doesn't prove Taylor loves keeping us guessing, I don't know what does. Now let's talk about the era's Tura global phenomenon. But did you know there's a stage secret fans couldn't stop talking about? It's called TayRoomba. Sounds funny, right? TayRoomba is the nickname fans gave to a small moving platform on stage that Taylor rides during songs like Down Bad. People thought it was fully automated by high-tech robotics, but here's the twist. It's actually operated by a crew member inside. Yes, while millions thought it was pure tech magic, the truth was a hidden human controlling the ride from inside a dark shell. Talk about secret stagecraft. Taylor's personal life is just as full of secrets, and some of them are surprisingly wholesome. On Travis Kelce's podcast, she revealed something no one expected. She treats her energy like a luxury item, protecting it from negativity at all costs. And then came this revelation. Taylor is obsessed with sourdough baking. That's right, while topping global charts and running billion-dollar tour. She's in her kitchen making bread. She admitted it's taken over her life. Her favorite thing to bake? Blueberry sourdough bread. Travis Kelce even mentioned, it's just go to comfort food now. So next time you picture Taylor living the high life, imagine her pulling fresh bread out of the oven. It's not just glamorous gowns, it's aprons, rolling pins, and a whole lot of flour dust. Taylor's secrets aren't just creative, they're strategic. According to a NASA engineer and Harvard strategist, her success isn't luck, it's meticulous planning and brilliant execution. One of her boldest moves? Re-recording her first 6 albums to regain ownership of her masters. Fans didn't just support it, they turned it into a movement. Today, she's a billionaire not because of brand deals, but because she owns her music. That's not just artistry, that's empire building. An album made like a covert mission. See you in the next video, where we unlock even more mysteries behind the world's biggest superstar.